Sanibonani, namhlanje ngithi ake ngithi brief kancane about uAmway. Right, uAmway siyazi ukuthi uqale ngo-1959. Right, ngama-products are organic, they are still organic even today. So, uAmway, anyone can become a member, noma ubani angaba a member. uAmway uthi sebenzisa i-product because uma uyisebenzisile wathola ukuthi ayikuphathi kahle, bring it back ka-Amway, ubuyisele imali yakho or you buy another product. So, uthini ku-Amway? Anyone can become a member azisebenzisele ama-products. Omunye athi no, ngifuna ukusebenzisa ngenze imali, ngenze an extra income, ngidayise. uAmway uyakuvuma lokho but uyasebenzisa, yiba nobufakazi, udayise. Omunye athi no, mina ngifuna ukuthi ngithi ngisebenzisa, ngithi build i-business le-family eline-legacy elizosala kubantwana bami abalifunde ekhaya. uAmway uyakuvuma lokho konke lokho kuwena ukuthi ufuna ukusebenzisa kanjani. So ama-products akhona siyazi ukuthi organic and enziwe ngama-plants. Uthi kuAmway thenga, sebenzisa, kubalulekile ukusebenzisa, then dayisa othandayo ukudayisa. Fundisa abanye, ngokufundisa abanye nawe you are changing impilo zabantu because we are here to help others, we are sharing. So usishintshe impilo zethu kanye nezabanye abantu. Ngiyabonga.